Now we are standing at the entrance of Chintamani Bird Sanctuary. It is situated near South Chobbish Pargana, very near to Narendrapur Ramakrishna Mission. It's not too far from Kolkata. It's very famous for its habitat of rare and endangered birds of Bengal. It also provides shelter for the migratory birds during the winter season. It was previously a private property, but to protect the rich diversity of flora and bird species from manipulation, the Forestry Department of Government of West Bengal undertaken it in 2005, and now it was named after a social worker Chintamani Kaur, but its local name is Koyaler Bagan. So let's friends enjoy our trip in this sanctuary.
Right now, I'm CKBS, that is Chintamani Bird Sanctuary, and with me, I have a beautiful friend called Shubhro Mitro. But right now, he went to bring some food for me, so I'm alone here, and and in this beautiful nature, you can see the beautiful uh, scenarios, the forests and uh, the birds mm, which gained the fame in this area. And there I hear some noise. I think it's from a bird, so let's find out about it. And yours this these are the epiphytes. If I stop talking, then you will hear some beautiful melancholy sound of birds. It's very natural, and nothing can create it. No musical instrument can create this sound. It is nature's best melody. Right now, I'm I'm resting and waiting for Shubro. We have a plan for later on, and uh, after he come, I will we will proceed towards the eastern part of this sanctuary, and there goes the aeroplane. It is a fully mechanical sound, but uh, except it is very natural, and all the sounds make me feels like Wordsworth. It is very upgraded thing for me. Uh, I will suggested my friends to come here and spend some time. Uh, it's uh, very uh, remote and full of birds, butterflies, and different kinds of. I can see different kinds of trees here. Some are epiphytes, some are shrub, and some medicinal plants. I also in the forest floor. That is the um, that is the outgrowth of this area. It is full of medicinal plants and fern. So right now I am waiting. Let's see how much time should we take to come to reach this point. That's all.
Start.
Right now we are in the central part of Chintamani Bird Sanctuary. It is full of different migratory birds, and here we can see different species of butterfly which is endemic to it is only considered that it is found only this in this area. And here you can see if my cameraman move it toward the tree, and if he take a snap there, he will find out the epiphytic plants there, which is the it is it is it is full of natural beauty here. And in the in this part of this sanctuary, it is going towards the central towards the core area, and which is the eastern part of the sanctuary. So we are heading towards that area. That's all for right now. Cut. Right now we are moving toward the eastern part, that is the core area of Chintamani Bird Sanctuary. Here you can see there is no canopy cover right now in this area, so our faces are visible and all these plants are visible, but the area where the canopy cover is low, there is zero sunlight penetration. And here you can see a fruit, that is red fruit. It is a favorite food of different birds. It's locally called the Koyeler Bagan. That's why it is a private in earlier days. It is a private area, but government of West Bengal undertake this one and create a sanctuary. It is a snake. You can see the snake. It is snake. It is a laudoga itself.
Snake.
You go. There is a hood of that snake. It is highly poisonous, and it's not visible from my camera, but we can see it clearly that it's moving towards the branches. Our it's made us rush in the adrenaline. See the habitat of that monitor lizard. It is a highly dangerous place for us to visit because it might attack us. Uh, in few minutes ago, we just saw a snake. That is the green vine snake, if you called it. Uh, there, it is a we are heading toward the end of this thought of sanctuary. It is my fellow colleague Shubhra Mitra is waiting there, so we should proceed there.
Pugmarks of wild cats which are widely available in this sanctuary.
Going towards the northern part of CKBS, the trail ends right there, and a wall protecting the area from other parts of the locality. In the outgrowth, we saw different type of reptiles uh, and some ferns. It is very notable there. There is a fern. It is full of fern in this area, and my friend here, Shubro, will tell you about it.
Now we are standing at the northern part of the forest and we are seeing here a rich diversity of epiphytic plants and pteridophytes. But the amazing fact is the high diversity of migratory birds and some local birds of Bengal which are scarcely found in urban areas of Kolkata and 24 Parganas. But the sight of a big monitor lizard and the poisonous snake really frightened us, and now we are avoiding the core zone because the core zone is full of or it's infested with dangerous and poisonous snake. The authority warned us for that. But really at the midst of the forest I am feeling like Jim Corbett, and with my colleague I am here for hunting the wild tigers, but really there is no wild tiger in this sanctuary. Let's proceed to the other part of the jungle. Now as you were seeing, these are the supporting roots of this plant, and it's a little younger, and when it will become mature it will be woody and it will support the plant for standing in this soft soil. You can see these roots are now immature and they are little bit soft and fibrous in nature, but this root is really very helpful, and as this dense rooting system from the branches of the trees will making the forest a little denser due to its dense coverage.
So, friends, we are leaving this sanctuary area, and we have done our survey in this area. We have find lots of uh, natural things, birds, reptiles, and butterflies. And right now, we can conclude that it is a very rich in biodiversity. So it's in the 24 Pargana, so in the midst of nature, and near metropolitan town of Kolkata, we can find this magnificent place like this one. So that's all for today. Thank you.